Wow. Wow. Guys, finally, I just got some Haitian food. This is my country food. This is how we cook back home. Look at how beautiful it is, man. This is bun and peze, plantain. This is griot. That is fried pork. This is pickles. Very spicy. This is du collet. This is rice and beans right here. That's Haitian rice and beans. Look at how different it is. Look at the bean. Look at how beautiful it is though. It's different. This is how Haitian food look like, y'all. So what you have to do? That's good stuff, y'all. That's why I like bun and peze. Look at that. I like the pickles, man. It's good, bro. They put some good seasoning in the pickles. Look at that. Whoa! Whoa! This is fried pork right here. Sometimes it's nice just to do that. Whoa! I love it. Guys, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Yeah, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, guys. I have a lot of stuff coming out. Go ahead and subscribe now. Whoa! Yeah, that Haitian food was very good, bro. I really like it. I like the rice and beans, and I like the griot and pickles. Yeah, that was a very nice meal. I bought it for 20 bucks. You know what I'm saying? That's good. It was good for 20. That was a lot of food. You know, I had a good time. Yeah. Wow. Wow. I love it. If you live in Lexington, Kentucky, please go ahead and check it out. Because we have a restaurant in Lexington, Kentucky. That's family, you know what I'm saying? That's a family restaurant. Please go ahead and check it out. They know how to cook some good food. Yeah, they've been there for 1 year. Today is my first time to go there and check it out. Yeah, man. The Haitian food was good. You know, if you want to see more Haitian food, let me know so I can make sure I upload more Haitian videos on the channel, you know. Just let me know what you want and I'm going to make sure I get it done, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to make sure I do it for you guys. You know what I mean? Just let me know what you want, what you like. Yeah, I've been working hard for you guys and I'm still going to work hard for you guys. Yeah, so go ahead and subscribe to the channel, guys. More stuff coming out. My name is the Coming of Kentucky. Ooh, I'm the only one. All right. Whoa. Wow. 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 Got that. Whoa. This is Haitian rice and beans, y'all. Got that. Wow. Wow. That's a lot of food you give me for 20 bucks though. Oh. This is pickles right here, guys. Whoa.
Last night, I didn't sleep last night. I was thinking about chicken wings. I got my mama in the bed at night. I be like, mama, I need some chicken wings. Last night, I didn't sleep last night. I was thinking about some chicken wings.
Mm-hmm. Wow. Hmm. Hmm. Wow. They know how to cook though. Good food, y'all. Look at how beautiful it is, man. One thing I like about Haitian food, man, they don't look nasty and the plate, they look very nice and beautiful. Well, wow, man, the Haitian grill was good, bruh. It has been a while since I had some grill. The last time I had some grill, that was in Miami. I was in Miami, I was in Lower Haiti. That's the last time I had some grill. It's been a long time, probably like 2 years. Yeah, I was so happy to have some Haitian grill. If you're in Lexington Kentucky, go ahead and check them out. I'm going to make sure I put the address in the bottom. You can go ahead and check them out. And you can tell me what you think. You know what I'm saying? You can tell me what you think. If you like it, just say just if I like it. If you don't like it, just let me know and I'll go back there and I'll fix it. Because I know we are the best in the Caribbean. Nobody in the Caribbean can cook better than us. So when I was growing up, my family, they didn't have a lot of food. So if we have a little, we make sure that we cook that little very well. You know what I'm saying? That's why we're very good in cooking. You know what I'm saying? Because like when I was growing up, man, we didn't have a lot of stuff. But that's why, you know, I'm trying to work hard, make sure my daughter have a lot. Yeah, so guys, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel and I appreciate all of y'all. My name is Decorin. If you live in Lexington, Kentucky, you never have Haitian food before, go ahead and check them out. Mm-hmm. I'm going to put the address in the bottom. This is 5 pork. What they call zero. It is better with grill is better with pickles. It is spicy though. Yeah. Whoa. They put some good seasoning on that pickles though. Wow.
Yeah, last night, I couldn't sleep last night. I've been thinking about fried chicken. Last night, I couldn't sleep last night. I've been thinking about fried chicken.
Guys, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel now, guys. A lot of Haitian food is coming. If you like that one, a lot is coming. They have a lot of stuff in the menu.
Breakfast time. You know what time it is? Super. 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 You know what time is it? Lunchtime. You know what time is it? Breakfast time. Super. Super. Super.
See.
Yeah, Mama, what do you think about my cooking, my rice, and this? Mama, what do you think about my cook? Mama, what do you think about my cooking? about my cooking, my rice and beans, baby? What do you think about my cooking, my rice and beans, baby? What do you think about my cooking, my rice and beans, baby? What do you think about my cooking?
If you want, you can put the pickles in the rice too. If you want. You don't have to do it, man. That rice is not dry. Cut out. Guys, I'll see you in the next one. That's a lot of food. That's a lot of food. I'll see you in the next one.